Allie, you go to the bag. Come on, 1, 2 more like that.
All right, Quinn, you got it.
Ball.
Up a hair. Go, Adam.
Yeah, Aaron! Go get out there, baby! Hey, you! On 2! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle!
Come on, 1.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Come on.
You did it fast.
Oh! Got it. Boom!
I would have been trotting back in the truck and I would have been like,
Hey, Abby. Hang on to it.
You gotta swing.
Let's go, White. Are we in the order? Hey, 5, 6, 7. Alyssa, Abby, Riley. Let's go. Let's fight. Hey, I love our fight. Come on. Last inning was good. We're almost there. Let's go.
You're killing me,
just fine, actually.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, left side is bad.
I felt like that looked like that was going to be a train wreck. I'm glad it wasn't.
A little over 4 minutes, coaches. 4 minutes.
This will be it. This last inning, right?
Yep, this will be it.
Top of.
Unless you tie or.
Top of 6. Say twos. Start us off, kid.
Mr.
Ball. 3 balls, 1 stroke.
All right, James, take your time. What do you say, kid?
Right here.
Go, base hit ball 4, Al.
Ball. 3 balls, 2 strokes.
Same thing. Take your time. Put it right in.
Heads up.
Way to pop up, man. Way to pop up.
Way to fight, Ab. Fired that thing.
It was right on, but
It was, I mean, the target was perfect. Yeah.
still full. Ball.
Good eye, Ab. Good AB, kid.
Good try. Good try. Good try.
You say 3? 138. 138.
You ready, Dad? Go. Eat it.
Good job, Adam.
Go 3. Start us off, kid.
Time.
Hey, relax, have some fun, right? Quick hands.
That's time, coaches. We'll finish in. Ball.
Let's go ahead and back up those. Way to work the base.
Ball.
Good eye, Raj. Hey, if you like it, give it a ride.
3 balls, no stroke.
All right, Jazz. Jim, take a breath. Take your time.
Hey, now you've seen it.
Same thing. You got all time right here. Take a breath. Take your time.
Yeah, Raj, go, Raj.
Good play. Molly, way to back up.
Hey, you're at home, right?
One more, guys!
All right, don't be upset about that.
In 2. Plays at 1. Plays at 1.
We got 2 out.
Come on, Ro.
Ball.
Going.
Down, Ab, down, Ab.
Let's game.
Hey, good job, guys.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, back your stuff up. I think yours is the bigger box.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, ready to close out the season, ladies! Woo!
Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies.
Maybe you'll play 15 like that. Thank you. Great job.
Hey, bro. Thank you, sir.
One more time, ladies. We did it!
I thought you were going to be a center field, man. Players.
Girls, back your stuff up. Come on.
Okay.